everyone, welcome to Cooking with Love. Today let's learn the recipe of sesame seeds laddu. Sesame seeds are like very tiny, but they are a power pack of minerals. Sesame seeds and jaggery together, they help in many things. They help in stronger bones, improves digestion and thyroid levels, immunity levels, and whatnot. All you need is 4 ingredients and 30 minutes of your time, and your power pack of minerals and fiber is ready. So let's get started. All we need is same quantity of sesame seeds and jaggery, 2 spoons of ghee and 3 cardamom. So what we need to do is just break the jaggery into tiny pieces like this, grate the jaggery, and so that you can measure the equal quantities. So the first step is to dry roast the sesame seeds. Keep the flame on low and dry roast the sesame seeds in batches. Keep stirring in between, and while the seeds are being roasted, take a plate, add some ghee to it, and just grease the plate and keep ready. So see, our plate is well greased enough. While the seeds are still roasting, let us pound our cardamom into fine powder. So how to check if the seeds are finely roasted? Take few seeds and crush them with your fingers, and see, they're being crushed easily like this. Take few, crush them, and then they're pound into powder. That is when you can know that your seeds are finely roasted. See, the seeds should be crackled this way to fine powder. Transfer the roasted seeds into a plate. And then dry roast the other batch. And remember, the flame is to be very low. So look, our second batch is also ready. So let's transfer them into a plate. Just spread them like this. Let them get cool for a bit. To the same pan, add 3 spoons of ghee. And remember, again, the flame is to be low. Once the ghee has melted, add the equal quantity of jaggery to it. Then on low flame, melt the jaggery. Keep stirring in between. Look, the jaggery has started to melt. Make sure the flame is low and keep stirring. So if you're seeing any blocks that are chunks of jaggery, just keep pressing them a little and don't leave it unattended. Keep stirring it. Oh my god, my kitchen is smelling like heaven. I wish I could make you smell. Keep stirring it. Okay, at this point, add the cardamom powder of 3 pods which we have pounded. Give a nice stir. Mix, mix, mix. So it's hardly 2 minutes that we have added the jaggery, right? It's all melted and looks so glossy and beautiful. Just let it get a slight boil. Perfect. At this time, like, can you see the bubbles that are coming up? At this point we need to add all our sesame seeds. So here you go, we have added all our sesame seeds and give a nice mix. And please note the flame is still on and is on low. Mix it nicely. Once you feel all the sesame seeds are coated well, turn off the flame and transfer this into our greased plate. So here, let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes. So yeah friends, it's been 3 minutes. So take some ghee, rub both your palms, take some mixture, then start doing the laddus. And done. Look at this. Our first laddu is ready.